Hey everyone, today we're breaking down Kashkick. If you've seen it online, you're probably wondering, is this app real? Can you actually make money? Or is it just another scam? Let's find out. Kashkick is a free app that pays you to complete easy tasks. You can take surveys, play games, and try it out new apps. The best part, it doesn't cost anything to join. You just sign up and start earning right away. Here's the simple process. Download the app or visit their website. Create your account, browse available tasks, complete whatever interests you. Then get paid. That's it. There are lots of choices. Some days you might answer quick surveys. Other days you can test games or new applications. Each task has a reward amount shown before you start, so you know exactly what you'll earn. Now the real question, how much can you actually earn? Here is the honest answer. Most casual users make between $10 and $50 per month. If you're more active and take on bigger offers, you could potentially reach $100 or $200 monthly. This isn't going to replace your job, but it's solid extra cash if you don't mind spending some free time on it. All payments come through PayPal directly to your account. There are no hidden fees, no surprise charges, no complicated withdrawal process, just clean, simple payouts. This is the big question everyone asks. Yes, Kashkick is completely legitimate. Over 2 million people use it. The app has a 4.2 star rating with thousands of reviews. Users post payment proof all the time online. The company has a solid reputation for actually paying people. Here is the bottom line. Kashkick is real. It works. You will get paid. Just remember that earnings are modest and require consistent effort. It's perfect for earning spare cash during your downtime. But don't expect to get rich quick. If you want easy money making tasks with real payouts, Kashkick is definitely worth trying. That's our review. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description to sign up today. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.